The industrial gas turbine can generate power on an oil platform, keep all the pumps running, and power the compressor station on a gas-oil pipeline. It can light up entire cities. I'm Marvin Kuhlbrodt. I work at MTU Maintenance in Berlin-Brandenburg as a field service technician. We're responsible for the LM2500 for the industrial gas turbines. We fly around the world repairing engines. We're offshore and onshore, all over the world. It's actually an aircraft engine, as you can see in the cross-section. It was modified for industrial use, and that's what makes it really, really versatile, for power generation or as a drive. Sure, we have our planned 30 days of vacation a year, but we're always kind of on call. Sometimes, we have to be on the other side of the world within 24 hours. There are also jobs that are planned 3-4 months in advance, but something can always come up. Oh, there are so many. I really have to say, there are very, very remote work camps where we work, or offshore. That's always very interesting too, and far, far away from everything. Because I get to see so much of the world. I get to be in corners of the world where I would never go as a private tourist, and I can really help the people on site.